eWolf is the ePortfolio tool here at UAA. In this video, we'll show you about how to manage pages. So managing pages can mean the content on the page itself, or managing pages between ePortfolios, or kind of organizing things. So you can go up to the menu, the hamburger menu in the top corner, and choose the organizer tool. And here you'll see that the ePortfolio page that we were working on is on the left, and on the right we have a choice of showing another ePortfolio or showing the current ePortfolio. So we'll start by showing another ePortfolio, and this would be helpful if you maybe already had a bio written in another place that you wanted to pull over, or had a video or an image that maybe you had uploaded somewhere else that you wanted to bring into your new ePortfolio. So in this case, I'll pull over this profile picture and the text. And all I have to do is drag and drop it from one side to the other. It doesn't do anything to the original. It just copies it over to my new page so that I've got that handy. And you'll see it keeps the formatting, so there are some things that I'll need to go in and change because that's very hard to read. And if I want to pull something from a different page, I can simply go to click that title of the page there at the top of the section and choose a different site or a different page. And you'll notice here that I can pull it kind of back and forth as well. So it can pull from one side to the other. And now that I'm on the same site, I can pull it between pages of the site. If I toggle the button up at the top from content to page, now instead of looking at what's on the page, I can see the list of pages on my site. I can duplicate a page by clicking the paper icon to copy and then clicking the clipboard to paste. Or I can copy and paste a page from an entirely different site that I have access to. And when I close it out, I can see how those changes have been implemented. So now I can see that it's duplicated the About Me page and it's pulled over the Adding and Managing Your ePortfolio page from my other site. So this is kind of next level organization and setup of ePortfolio, but it can be really helpful if you're kind of navigating between different portfolios or have a lot of content to organize. For faculty or student support with eWolf, contact the Instructional Media Studio at 907-786-4850, by email at uaa_instructionalmedia@alaska.edu, or book an appointment online at bit.ly/uaa_instructionalmedia.